What is mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering is a branch of engineering deals with design, construction, use of machines. What do mechanical engineers do? Mechanical engineers design power producing machines such as generators, internal combustion engine, steam and gas turbines, as well as power using machines such as refrigeration, air conditioning systems. Mechanical engineers design other machines also. What do you learn as a mechanical engineer? Mechanical engineering field require an understanding of core areas including mechanics, dynamics, thermodynamics, material science, electricity. It is a branch of engineering that involves the design, production, operation of machinery. What qualities should a mechanical engineer have? Effective technical skills, the ability to work under pressure, problem solving skills, creativity, interpersonal skills, verbal and written communication skills, commercial awareness, team working skills. These are main skills as a engineer. Thanks for watching.